will show you my research and development 5 years old 40 volts 3 amps breadboard power supply with connections for ground, 5 volt regulator, voltage adjustable with a display and a Vmax Vin output. I have now designed a much faster, smaller, lightweight module without the need of the big heavy heatsink. Okay, this is the setup. Breadboard, power supply, digital meter. We connect the black wire to the ground and then the red wire to the green for 5 volt regulated. And switch it on. You see 5 volt. Now I go to the Vin is Vmax and I see 18.37, and now I reduce the voltage for the XVR variable voltage regulator. This is 1.25. Go up 0.7, 4.4, 6.0, 7.7, 9.4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the 3 LEDs, green for 5 volt regulated, red for the XVR. And that is dimming also, so as you can see, the red one, and the yellow stays at the maximum voltage input. It has fuses, multi-fuse and a regular fuse. It has a bridge rectifier, a large capacitor, and a lot of electronics here and underneath. That is developed in time, but now I have the fixed component setup, and now I will develop the new one. It is in production, so this is the same functionality the new one will have, and I will show you a picture at the end of this video of the new one. Next time I will show you my domotica units for home and business use. See you next time.